what do we have today? And today we have a big Terex articulated rock truck, and this truck has a problem. And problem is, truck doesn't shift. It has some transmission issues. And we have a TA30. By the way, this truck made in Scotland. It was running just fine, and next morning truck started acting up and transmission doesn't shift forward. Transmission doesn't shift. Sounds like a big issue. Yeah, could be. But before you start doing any diagnosis, try to get much information as possible about how that issue happened in the first place. After talking to the operator, they had a problem starting the truck a few times. They had to jump start it. It was running fine. They park it, then it didn't start, and then they did that a few more times, and that is a first tip. It means we're dealing with some sort of issue with a charging starting electrical circuit. That's already a direction, and it's all related. Computer needs to get good power to operate all electrical. As usual, I went and checked all fluids, make sure we have proper level of transmission fluid and all fluids are good. And next I went to the batteries. Let me show you what I found already. You always start with the easiest things to get to, and it seems like it's electrical issue. And where you start, where's the electrical source? Your alternator, and before that batteries. I went to check the batteries, and one battery is pushed. Let me show you. Okay, I have my trusted multimeter switched to DC volts. As you can see here, we have two batteries connected in series, and we have 24 volt system. Let's check the voltage. There we go. And this battery is 12.7 fully charged, and this one just aside is 6.7. Not good. This battery is old and doesn't hold a charge, and this is my first area of concern. Start with the batteries, make sure you have good batteries. Will be my next step. I'm going to remove this old battery, clean the terminals, clean the clamps, and for now we'll just put in one new battery. And as usual, we see some nice activities. Here we go. I have one new battery installed, one for now. Both batteries are fully charged, all terminals are cleaned, tight. Let's turn a master switch, night switch on. Now we have a power. Okay, and let's go for our truck. As you can see here, we have a jumper cables and a huge battery pack for jump start. Yeah, that's the first have to look for. All right, it's cold outside. Like a -1, -2 degrees Celsius. Okay, we have a power to the dash. All right, let's crank it and see how she'll start up. Start it right up. Okay. And we're in neutral. Truck is warming up. Let's give a few minutes and go and check the charging voltage. That's what we have. And we have a perfect 27.6 volts. Beautiful. Good. Plus we have to wait for air pressure to build up to move the truck. Let's drain. There we go, we already have some. By the way, this truck has a M11 big Cummins. Okay, let's shift to first. Okay, we're on second. Let's go down to first. The brake is off and we're good. We're moving. Yeah. And truck is back to business. Beautiful. Nice. Here we go. To neutral. The brake on. Awesome. Fortunately for everyone, this was a easy fixed, but it's not always the case. But remember, always start with the basics and get much information as possible from the owner, driver, operator, how did it happen. And you don't have to call the Terex dealer. Yeah, truck is good to go. I'm going to take a truck for a spin, make sure it's all operational and good to go back to work. Yeah, thank you so much guys for your time watching this video. Appreciate it. Yeah, take care. Bye bye.